How are you all? I hope you are good. Today we are going to study a very interesting topic in mathematics. But before that, students, I would like to watch the video clip, and after that I will ask you some questions. So watch the video carefully. Here is the video.
It is Thur's birthday today. Gru, Jojo and Gul are sitting together. They want to make a present for Thur. Gru suggests that they should make a garland of flowers since Thur loves flowers. Jojo is not sure how much flowers they need. Gul thinks they will need 500 flowers. Gru says 500 would not be enough. Jojo asked if 1000 flowers will be enough. Crow does not think even 1000 flowers will be enough. Crow says that they should collect 2500 flowers. That will make a nice big garland for Third. Crow asks Jojo and Gul to go and collect the flowers. Gul wants to collect red flowers as he knows red flower is Third's favorite color. Jojo says that he will collect yellow flowers. After some time, everyone comes back with their flowers. Crow asks Gul and Jojo how many flowers they have collected. Gul answers proudly, he has collected 1057 flowers. Jojo answers that he collected 1238 yellow flowers. Crow wants to know how many flowers are there altogether. So they need to add the number of flowers.
I hope students you have watched the video carefully, and now I will ask you some questions. So here is my first question.
How many animals are there in the video?
Yes, there are 4 animals. One is the monkey, one is the dog, one is the crow, and the last is the elephant. Very good. Now my second question is,
Whose birthday is being celebrated?
yes, animals are celebrating the elephant's birthday. Good. Now my third question is, so what are they doing? Yes, they are collecting the garland of flowers. Very good. Now my fourth question is,
How many flowers are there collected altogether?
yes, the dog collected 1157 flowers and the monkey collected 1238 flowers. Now my last question to you student is, now how many flowers altogether they collected? Yes, the answer is they collected 2395 flowers. So student, what we are doing in this video? We are putting the flowers together. We are putting the flowers collected by the monkey and the dog together, and then we are counting. So what we will do in this chapter? We are adding. Adding is the process whereby we put the things or join the things together. So today, as in the previous chapter, you have studied the chapter addition, and today we will study addition of numbers with carryover and without carryover. Now students, in this video, we will learn how to add 4-digit numbers. For this, we are going to do some activity. For this, we have taken 2 sides. One side we have 4 bowls and the other side we have another 4 bowls. So, blue bowls represent 1's place. Red bowl represents 10's place. Green bowl represents 100 place. And yellow bowl represents 1000 place. In the same way, in this side, blue represents the 1's place, Red represents the tens place, green represents the 100 place, and yellow represents the 1000 place. Now, what we will do in third step, we will add both sides the value of ones. So, this we are having two buttons, 1 and 2. So, and in this we are having ones button in the ones value. So, we will add both the values of ones. So, we get 1, 2 and 3. So, we have 3 buttons in the ones value place. Now, the tens place which is represented by the red bowl. We have this bowl. In this we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 buttons. So, there are 5 buttons in tens place on side A. On second side we have how many buttons? 1 button and 2 buttons. So, how many buttons on the tens place? We have 5 plus 2. We have 7 buttons on the tens place. Now, we will count the number of buttons in the 100 value place. So, we have 1, 2 and 3. 3 buttons on this side and 1, 2 and 3. So, all together we have 6 buttons in the 100 place value. Now, we will count the number of buttons on the 1000 place. So, this we have 1 button, 2 button, 3 buttons and 4 buttons. And this side we have another 1 button, 2 button, 3 button and 4 buttons. So, total we have 8 buttons on the 1000 place. So, we will count like this. We have the ones, we have the tens place, we have the 100 place and we have the 1000 place. So, we will count 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and tens we have 2 and 5. We have 7 tens and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. We have 600 and 1000 we have 4 plus 4 is equal to 8000. So, we have total we get on adding 8673.
Now let us learn how to add the 4-digit numbers without the carryover. For this, let us take one example. We have 5181 and 3716. To find the sum, we will add the numbers. So, we will put the numbers according to the place value chart. Now, we will place the numbers in the table. So, we will put 1 and 6 at the ones place. We will put 8 and 1 at the tens place. And we will put 1 and 7 at the 100 place. And we will put 5 and 3 at the 1000 place. So, for adding, we will first of all, step 1 is we will add the ones place number. So, 1 plus 6 ones is equal to 7 ones. So, we will put 7 at the ones place. Next, we will add the tens place number. At tens place, we have 8 tens plus 1 tens. So, we get 9 tens. So, we will put 9 at the tens column. Then, the third step is we will add the 100 place. So, at 100 place, we have 100 plus 700. So, we will get 800. So, we will put this 8 at the 100 place. Now, fourth step is, and the last step is, we will add the 1000 place number. So, at the 1000 place number, we have 5 plus 3 is equal to 8000. So, what is the sum of after adding both the numbers? So, we get 8000 897 after adding the number 5181 and 3716. So student, I hope you have understood this topic, how to add the numbers, and you will be able to solve the problem. Now let us learn how to add the numbers with carryover or regrouping. For this, let us take one example. We have number 4655 and 2769. To find the sum, we add the numbers. First of all, we will put the 4-digit numbers according to the place value chart. So, accordingly, we have put the number like this. We had 5 ones and 9 ones. So, we will add them together. Then we have 5 tens and 6 tens. So, we will add them together. And then we have 600 and 700. So, we will add them together. Then at 1000 place we have 4000 plus 2000. So, we will add these two numbers together. So, accordingly, we will add the ones now. At one place, we will add 5 ones plus 9 ones is equal to 14 ones. So, there are more than 10 ones. So, we need to regroup the ones. So, we will regroup 14 ones as 110 and 4 ones. So 1 we will carry it over to the tens place and we will write 4 at the ones place. Next we add the tens. At tens place we have 5 tens plus 6 tens. So, and also we have 1 tens. 1 tens plus 5 tens plus 6 tens is equal to 12 tens. So, there are more than 10 tens. So, we need to regroup the tens. So, after regrouping 10, we get 100 and 2 tens. So, accordingly, we will put 2 at the tens place and 1 will be carried over to the 100 place. Then, we will add the 100. So, at 100 place, we have 600 plus 100 plus 700. So, total we get 14. So, there are more than 10 hundred. So, we need to regroup the hundreds. We regroup 14 as 1000 and 400. So, again 4 will be put at the 100 place and 1000 we will carried over to the 1000 place. Now at last we will add the thousands. At 1000 place we have 4000, 1000 plus 2000. So total we get 7000. So after adding 4655 plus 2769 we get total 7424. So this is the sum we got after adding both the numbers.
So students, from all these activities, we have learned today that how we add the 4-digit numbers without carryover and the addition of numbers with carryover. I hope students you have understood the topics and you will be able to solve the problems. Thank you.